Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to possibly fix your side view mirror if it's not moving up and down or side to side. So after you take off the mirror, there's a screw in the center, a Phillips screw that you're going to have to remove. It's a fairly decent sized screw, so it might take you a little bit to remove it. So the next step is to pry off the actuator by using a small screwdriver or a pry tool, and you're going to force and pull it off, and it should pop right off. So here's the parts number that you can order online. So the next step is to put the actuator, you got to pop it back in place. You're just going to line up the little holes with the green tab in the back, and you'll hear it pop in place. You're going to have to use a little bit of force, but you'll know it's in when it pops and you can't move it back out. So the final step is to put the mirror back in. Make sure your connectors are right and secure. This little connector can be a little bit of a pain. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze. And then make sure you put in your heater pins. And then pop your mirror back in place. Just move it back and forth, up and down. It should set in on its own. So now it's time to test the mirror to see if it goes up and down and side to side. As you can see now, my mirror does go down and up, where before it wasn't doing that on its own. And let's just test to see if it can go side to side. Which it looks like it's working perfectly. So hopefully this helps anybody that's having the same issue. Until the next video, like and subscribe.